Here I have Realme C30, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera. So let's take one photo like with this feature enabled, and now I'm going to show you how you can disable it. So you just go to settings, and here you can find mirror reflection. So that's how you can switch this feature. And as you can see, like when we have it enabled, we have lighting from the left side, but when we have it disabled, we have it from the right side. I don't know like why is it works this way, because like I actually have lightning from the right side. Okay, never mind. That's how you can switch it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.